Hello friends, welcome to AK Official, where we embark on unforgettable journeys across our incredible planet. In today's video, we'll immerse ourselves in the breathtaking beauty of Earth's most stunning natural wonders, places where nature's magic is alive in every corner of the globe. From towering mountains to vast oceans, from lush rainforests to serene deserts, nature speaks to us in a language beyond words. It reminds us of the delicate balance that sustains life and the power that lies in the smallest seed, the mightiest waterfall, and the endless sky. Earth, our home, a planet teeming with beauty, mystery, and an endless display of wonders. From the deep blue oceans to the towering peaks of mountains, from the quiet desert sands to the lush rainforests, nature's masterpieces are all around us. This is our world, and it's more magnificent than we can imagine. Each day, the sun rises, casting its golden glow across our oceans, bringing light and life to the world. The waves, in their timeless rhythm, caress the shore, a simple yet profound reminder of nature's gentle power. Even in the smallest corners of the earth, beauty unfolds. Watch closely, and you'll see life bloom in ways that seem almost magical. A tiny seed grows into a vibrant flower, showing us that nature's miracles are everywhere. Then, there are the mountains, silent giants that have stood for millions of years. Their snow-capped peaks reach towards the sky, bearing witness to the passage of time and the breathtaking power of nature's forces. Water, a life-giving force, shaping the Earth's landscapes and sustaining every living thing. Cascading waterfalls remind us of water's incredible power and the beauty that flows with it. Above us, birds glide effortlessly through the skies, taking in the vastness of our world. Their flight symbolizes the freedom that nature offers, an unspoken invitation to explore, to wonder, to dream. Across the globe, animals, from the smallest creatures to the mightiest predators, contribute to the delicate balance of life. Every species plays a role in the ecosystems that sustain our planet. Deep in the heart of rainforests, nature thrives in its most vibrant form. The air hums with the sounds of life, each leaf, each creature, each raindrop a part of a living, breathing world that has existed for millennia. Even in the harshest environments, like the desert, life finds a way to survive, to flourish. The beauty of a desert sunset, so stark, yet so beautiful, reminds us that there is elegance in simplicity. Our Earth is a living masterpiece, a testament to the incredible power of nature's design. And yet, for all its wonders, the planet faces unprecedented challenges. Today, it's up to us to protect the wonders that remain, to be the guardians of the forests, the oceans, the skies, to ensure that future generations can experience the beauty that has been passed down to us. Because the greatest wonder of all isn't just the world around us, it's how we choose to protect it, for ourselves, for the future, and for all life that shares this earth. Let's honor the earth by safeguarding its beauty, for in every moment of wonder, there lies a responsibility to protect, to preserve, and to cherish the natural world that sustains us all. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to explore more of Earth's wonders.